I'm Brady with Tom Wood Outdoor Equipment in Martinsville. I want to talk to you a little bit about an engine that a lot of people didn't know even existed with Grasshopper, and that's a liquid-cooled Kubota gas. And we have it in 3 different models. 2 of them are right here. It's available in the 329, the 729, and also a 932. It's going to have a, like I said, it's going to be 3-cylinder liquid-cooled. The longevity of it is incredible, and we'll need to start it so then you can hear it run. Come see us at Tom Wood Outdoor Equipment. And remember, it's all good at Tom Wood.